This is how I used to type just a couple of years ago. And this is how I type right now. I went from typing at the speed of 20 words per minute to typing at the speed of over 100 words per minute in only 90 days. To get there, I watched dozens of videos, read what feels like every article on the internet, and of course, did a lot of practice. And in this video, based on everything I've learned about typing, I'm gonna show you 3 actionable steps that you can take to take your typing speed from 0 to 100 words per minute. Step 1. Using multiple fingers. The first thing you should do is learn how to use more than 4 fingers. Using 7, 8 or 9 fingers is much faster than using only 2 fingers because you can type words in one stroke instead of moving your finger from one letter to another letter. So how do you position your fingers? This is the fundamental position to start, the so-called home row, which is essentially the resting position for your fingers. Use each finger for each section of the keyboard as you can see on this image. And then you do a lot of practice. I recommend using keyboard.com to learn the basics of typing. This is the website I use to learn the fundamentals, and I recommend it to all of the beginners. It kind of has this cool feature of giving you words that you type really slowly, so you practice your weak spots essentially until you get good. Once you're comfortable using multiple fingers, it's time to learn touch typing. Touch typing is essentially typing without looking at your keyboard. You want to keep looking at your screen because you can see the next word and prepare mentally to type that word. Additionally, if you make mistakes, you can spot them and immediately correct them. You're probably gonna lose a lot of speed when trying to learn touch typing, and that's okay. But eventually, you're not only gonna get back to your previous typing speed, you're gonna surpass that. Once you don't feel the urge to look at your keyboard when typing, it's time to move to the step 3. Learning to practice correctly. And that's where most people make a huge mistake. They just keep practicing mindlessly. They might see the initial improvement, but they hit a ceiling pretty soon. In order to make progress continuously, you gotta add structure to your typing sessions. Here's what you should do. First, choose a target typing speed. For advanced typing practice, I recommend monkeytype.com. Then practice until you reach your target speed. Then once you reach your target typing speed, you should increase the difficulty by selecting English 1K mode, which adds less common words to your practice sessions. Then basically, you repeat the process. Once you reach your target speed, you make it more difficult by adding, for example, punctuation or numbers or even less common words. There are also a few tips that I can give you that will greatly increase your speed of progress. The first one is using shortcuts. One of the most useful shortcuts is Control Backspace or Option Backspace on Mac. It allows you to delete the whole word instead of erasing individual letters, which saves quite a bit of time. Another important tip is try to type words in one stroke instead of typing individual letters. For example, we have a word just. You can type this word in one quick burst by pressing all of the keys almost at the same time. Longer words, such as mountain, you would break down into smaller parts, which you would then type sequentially. Let's take the word father as an example. You would break down father into 2 parts, fa and there, and then you type those parts in one stroke, one after another. And the last tip is maintaining a good posture. You'll be surprised how much speed you can gain just by sitting correctly. Keep your feet flat on the floor and sit with your back straight. Your elbow should be at about 90-degree angle. And now you're set to beat your personal best. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll be responding to all of them. Bye!